Yeah, like these are like all this stuff is happening and they're sort of talking anyone because there's so many of these things are passing conversation.
So we're in Sicamous watching the CP holiday train come through.
Hey, sorry, can I call you back when the train just coming out? Oh, okay, thanks.
Trying to get this video where nobody's standing in front of me is a little bit difficult. Verification the track was clear for him. So that's the length of the train. Now let's go see what kind of entertainment they have playing this year.
Kaiser, thank you for being here. Give it up for the holiday train. This is the best tour ever. I'm having the time of my life. As you can tell, we're like, we live on this train, we sleep on this train, we eat on this train, so it's incredible. And I love writing holiday music, so I wrote 3 of those in the past, but I wrote a brand new song because I knew I was coming on this tour. The song's for anyone out there who's lost someone they love, has somebody absent in the summer during the holidays will bring us together, but they're also a time of the year when we notice the absence. This is for anyone who has this. It's called Christmas Without You. Looking at my world like I do, thinking of you. You painted memories on my phone. I can feel you everywhere now. Everywhere you whisper to my heart, wherever you are. It's Christmas time, and I long for you. Every memory is haunting you. I don't know what to do. Well, I'll make it through. Yeah, I know things change, still that ain't the same. It ain't true. Without you, thank you. I want to ask you guys a question. I was just actually editing the music video for this song where we shot it on the train this whole trip. And I felt like one thing that was missing was the sound of the audience, which is not in the song. So I thought at the very end we just ended with the sound of you guys singing "It Ain't Christmas Without You." And I wondered if you guys would be the voice of that for me. That would mean so much. I actually used to come to Sicamous to go camping with my friends. Have some really good memories. So I just say, it ain't Christmas without you. Yeah, so I'll say, I just want you to say, without you. So I'll say,
I'm wrong.
without you. Yeah, just without you. 'Cause it ain't Christmas without you. That's beautiful, that's beautiful. Let's try one more time, ready? It ain't Christmas without you. Amazing! Thank you so much. Let's do one more, just in case, okay? Just in case. Why don't you come right up here? Here's TJ, our cameraman. It ain't Christmas without you. Thank you so much, Sicamous. My name's Kaiser. And oh yeah, I got one more song for you. It's called, why don't we sing a song together that we all know? It's called the Jingle Bells Rock. You guys ready? Let's all dance. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle rock has begun. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bells sound. Dancing, dancing in Jingle Bell Square. And in the frosty air, what a fun time! It's the right time to rock the night. Jingle bell time, it's the swell time. Go riding in one horse. Giddy up, jingle horse, jingle bells, jingle around like flies. Jingle bells, jingle, jingle, every jingle bell Jingle bells chiming, jingle bells time, snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Yeah, the jingle rock has begun. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bells time. Dancing, dancing, Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a great time! It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, Christmas time. So glad you are here. Giddy up, jingle horse, jingle around that fly. Jingle, 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 that's a jingle bell, that's a jingle bell, that's a jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Thank you so much! Let's Kaiser, happy holidays, everybody! I'll see you soon! I'm gonna pass it off to the holiday train. They're gonna tell you all about this incredible cause, because it's so much more than just a show. So, give it up from the holiday train staff.
So that was a Sicamous CP holiday train visit. And this year, there's probably, I would say at least twice the amount of people that are here this year than were here last year. And last year they played original songs, and none of them were Christmas. This year we got 3 of them from one artist, all Christmas songs. So anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Stay safe. Have an awesome New Year, and good luck.